Hey there, manufacturing enthusiasts. Ever wondered what makes high-quality refractory materials possible? Today, we're diving into the incredible world of bauxite pulverizers. These machines are absolute game-changers in refractory production. Bauxite, as you know, is the key raw material for refractories. But raw bauxite needs proper processing to unlock its full potential. That's where our advanced pulverizer comes into play. It transforms coarse bauxite into ultrafine, consistent powder. This precision grinding is crucial for material performance. Think about furnace linings and kiln bricks. They demand perfection. Our pulverizer ensures uniform particle size distribution. No more clumps or inconsistencies in your final product. The technology behind this is truly remarkable. We use specialized grinding mechanisms designed for bauxite. The machine handles the material's unique properties perfectly. It's energy efficient too, saving you significant operational costs. Let's talk about the impact on your refractory quality. Better powder means better mixing and binding. Your end products become more durable and heat-resistant. They'll withstand extreme temperatures without cracking. Longer lifespan for your refractories means happier customers. The maintenance on these pulverizers is surprisingly simple. We've designed them for easy cleaning and part replacement. Downtime is minimal, keeping your production line running smoothly. Safety features are built in to protect your operators. Automated controls make operation a breeze. Even new team members can learn to use it quickly. Now, consider the environmental benefits. Efficient grinding means less energy consumption. Precise processing reduces material waste significantly. You're contributing to more sustainable manufacturing. Many industries rely on quality refractories. From steel plants to cement factories, glass manufacturers and chemical processors too. All of them need reliable, high-performance materials. With our bauxite pulverizer, you become their trusted supplier. The competitive advantage is undeniable. Your products will outperform the competition. Customer satisfaction will reach new heights. Let's look at some real-world applications. In steel production, refractories face extreme conditions. Our processed bauxite creates linings that last longer. Reducing replacement frequency saves money and time. In cement kilns, the heat resistance is critical. Our powder ensures consistent thermal properties. No hot spots or weak points in the lining. The manufacturing process becomes more predictable. Quality control becomes much easier to maintain. You'll see fewer rejects and higher yields. Training your team on this equipment is straightforward. We provide comprehensive support and documentation. Our technical team is always available for assistance. Regular updates keep your system running optimally. Investing in this technology pays off quickly. The return on investment is impressive. Within months, you'll see the benefits in your bottom line. Improved product quality opens new market opportunities. You can target more demanding applications. Premium clients will seek out your expertise. The future of refractory manufacturing is here. Advanced pulverizing technology is leading the way. Don't get left behind in this competitive industry. Upgrade your production with our bauxite pulverizer. Experience the difference in quality and efficiency. Your customers will notice the improvement immediately. Join the revolution in refractory manufacturing today. Transform your bauxite processing and watch your business grow. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.